very important stage where the children is learning to walk, and this is normally between 2 to 5 years or 1 to 4 years. However, it's based on the child, and the basic needs are wants to be accepted, encouraged, to fluctuate between dependency and autonomy. Sometimes in this stage, child wants to do something out of its own. It wants to run away from parents. It wants to play. It wants to play on its own. It wants to be sometimes independent and sometimes dependent. It wants to experience both dependency and autonomy. And then during this stage, there is a developmental polarity between autonomy versus shame and self-doubt. Let's say it is not given the enough freedom to do something on its own. Let's say if someone had criticized them or scolded them and done something like in my childhood, like when I was around this age, 4 years age or something, what happened was my history teacher gave me homework, gave everyone homework, and the teacher said, if you don't do homework, I will not send you for lunch. I was a very good student until then, and I thought let's see whether teacher does it or not, whether it happens or not. I want to experiment. So I have done every other homework other than Hindi homework. And my father asked me, did you do the homework? Yes, I have done the homework. I said, just wanted to experiment how it looks like, how it feels like to lie, And then next time, teacher asked, he had checked and found out I did not do homework. And then during lunch time, she had dragged me and 2 others who did not do homework, and in the staff room we were standing with shame, and all teachers were scolding us. They were having lunch together and we were standing. And then my father came. He did not know I did not come lunch for home from school, so he came, and then he understood the scenario. He taken me home and beat me with belt. So I was around 4 years old. That was a very deep memory for me, and it was very traumatic. And from that time onwards, I was not very feeling experimenting. Like I was not having that courage to do something out of my own. There is always a fear that my father will scold me. Always this fear used to be there inside my head. So this is how it happens. When something happens during that time, it will create some deep imprints, and then we may go towards this side, or we may be more bearing with shame and guilt, and will not be able to live that freedom. Making sense? Everyone can relate?
Yes.
Great. So here the ego strength is willpower. To make that decision at a 4-year-old, it needs a lot of decision to challenge that Hindi teacher who looked very arrogant, right? Who looked very strong and powerful. And it was very this thing, and that's the thing it wants to develop as a child, during this stage, during the toddler self. It wants to develop that willpower. It wants to play with the world. It wants to do something out of its own, and it wants to play with the world. And when something like this is not allowed, we make restrictions, we scold them, we beat them, right? This time they get into another polarity of shame and guilt, and then they suffer over the lifetime with this. So here there is a lot of things like their self-esteem, their self-confidence. It depends on this stage, how they have experimented with their willpower and how they have mastered it. Making sense to everyone?
Yes.